3 hours of Google I/O in just. Google I/O 2023 is completely focused on AI. Maps getting 3D immersive views, which is available on 15 cities. Magic Editor is now available in Google Photos, which has the ability to edit, erase or unblur any photos. Palm 2, which is much more powerful than GPT, is now available and integrated with the Bard. All the Google's AI companies now coming under Google's DeepMind. Bard is now also available for preview. Search is now integrated with Bard with the new looks. Bard could now speak 20+ languages,
including C++, Go, JavaScript, Python, Kotlin,
and all other human languages. Bard could also use pictures to answer the questions now. Bard tools. The main highlight of the I/O. Integrate Bard with Gmail, Google Lens, Search, Workspace, Maps, and all other Google products. Instead of making a text-to-image generator like OpenAI, Google decided to shake hands with Adobe. This is the king of pictures to make Adobe Firefly. Like the AI side panel on the Microsoft Edge, we get Sidekick on Google for developers. Google Cloud is now integrated with all the AIs that Google has using the APIs. Google also introduced Vertex, which includes 3 things. Number 1 is Imagen, which is a text-to-image generator and also an image editor and a text-to-video generator too. Number 2 is Codey, which is the code generator. Number 3 is Chirp, which is an universal translator. It could translate from videos and even deepfake your lips.
Is actually a hallmark of becoming a productive adult.
Muchos universitarios no comprenden que
Awesome. Coming to the Google phones, from messages to foldable, everything is now integrated with AI. Google Wallpaper is now getting 3D wallpapers, emojis and AI generator. For Google phones, they updated their Google tablets and Google Foldable is now introduced. One of the unique features on the Google Foldable is the ability to take selfies with a normal camera. That's all updated in the Google I/O 23. Be ready to check out the other videos on this topic later on the channel.
Q&A. Enjoy.